Hey guys, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this anti-Valentine's Day look with this metallic blue eye. First, I filled in my brows with the NYX Cosmetics Universal Brow Power Pencil, and I did that off camera because I always find a way to mess it up when I film. So yeah, my brows end up looking like this, and then I'm just taking the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer and applying that all over my face. And following that, I'm just going to apply my foundation, concealer, and yeah, I just basically blend everything with a beauty blender. And I will also blend my concealer to my lids just to prep the eyes. And then I also set them with some powder. Alongside with that, I do set the rest of my face with the pressed powder and bake underneath my eyes to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. For an all-over lid shade, I'm just taking this taupe shadow from Rodial Beauty, like so. And then I just darken it a little bit with this mauve shade in the same palette. Now moving on to the Crown Pro Glam Metals palettes, which is absolutely stunning. I took this metallic blue shade and started applying that onto the outer half of my lid and slowly building that up. Taking the only matte shade in this palette in Black Metal, I'm taking that onto the outer corner to darken my eyes a little bit, and then I bring the excess towards the center and the crease. Now for the lids, I took this silver shade and just packed that onto the lid, and it did actually have the slight green sheen to it off camera, which complemented the blue very nicely actually. And then I mixed the first two shades I used earlier in this palette to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. And basically I just went back and forth with these shades until everything looked bomb. I did have a bit of fallout, but when I baked my face earlier it caught all of that, so I just swept that bake away without ruining my foundation. For liner, I'm just taking a gel pencil liner and lining my eyes and then smudging that with an angled brush for a smokier look, and this just further defines my eyes just a little bit more. Then I applied mascara and lashes, and the eyes are basically done. Then I'm just adding color back to my face with some bronzer. I skipped blush just to keep my face more neutral, and I used this Pure Bronze and Brightening Cheek palette. And I used the center highlight shade with a small brush just to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. And then I mixed the bronze shade and the highlighting shade for my cheeks as well, and also the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. And lastly, for my lips, I used this Girlactik matte lip paint in the shade Demure. And yeah, that's about it for this look. I hope you guys liked it. A lot of these products are actually from January's Boxycharm, so if you guys are interested in subscribing, I do have a link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.